Leakgate in DC. I mean, this has been a real problem. Slightly different story here, but very fascinating in terms of cracking down.
This really jumped out at me because obviously insider trading has been something that has plagued Wall Street for a long time, to the point where it's fictionalized. We've been talking about the premiere of season 3 of Billions this week. But this is a new twist. This is these sorts of investigations and these sort of prosecutions moving to Washington, where information, just like everywhere else, is currency, but it's a different kind of currency.
Let's talk about what this case really is.
Very quickly.
Somebody who used to work for the Centers of Medicaid and Medicare actually being paid by hedge funds after his work there to give them information about the CMS's plans. They're cracking down on him for being paid for passing along that information. This gets into very gray territory. Fascinating story.
Yeah, so worthwhile going to work in government for a while and being lucrative afterwards.
They don't want that to happen.
Draw the line?
And that's it.
This is
and
really
what
tough
constitutes
one.
inside information.
Yes.